In this guide, I will be showing you how to create a loading spinner that look like this. So without further ado, let me show you the step-by-step process on how to achieve this. So first, we will need to create a circle. Let's change the color. Change it to maybe blue. You click on a circle. You can see this dot over here. It's called an arc. Click on it and just move it up. Okay, move it up like this. Now hover over to the dot at the center, click on it and move left to make it look like this. Now I want you to, let's rename it to circle so that it's easier to refer to it. Click on a circle, click on create component. Now add variant. I want you to add up to 4 variant. Okay. Click on the first variant and let's rename it to variant 1. Okay, so that it's consistent. Now I want you to select variant 2. Click on the circle within variant 2. Okay, click on the circle within variant 2 and hover over to the rotation on the right hand side. Change it to 90 degree. Do the same for variant 3. Click on variant 3. Click on the circle within variant 3, only the circle. Go to the rotation and change it to 90 degree times 2, which is 180 degree. Now click on variant 4. Same, click on a circle within variant 4 and change the rotations to 90 times 3. Okay. Now I want to emphasize that the most common mistake that people make is when they do the rotations, they click on the variant and not the circle. Okay, make sure that you click on the circle within the variant and make sure that you are changing the correct rotations. This is the one. Okay, this is the correct rotations, not the one at the bottom. Okay, now that we have all these 4 components set, I'm going to click on variant 1, click on prototype, hover over to variant 1, click on it and connect it to variant 2. For the interactions, I want it to be after delay. Change the time to 1 millisecond and make sure that the animation is smart animate. Do the same for variant 2. Connect variant 2 to variant 3. Change the interactions to after delay 1 millisecond. Make sure it is smart animate. Click on variant 3. Connect variant 3 to variant 4. Change it to after delay 1 millisecond and smart animate. For the last part, I want you to connect variant 4 to variant 1. Change the interactions to after delay 1 millisecond and make sure it is smart animate. Okay, now click on assets, search for circle, drag it to your canvas, select the frame. Now I want you to draw a frame around the circle, or let's call it loading spinner. Click on the frame, click on flow starting point. Now you see this play icon, click on it. You can see that we have successfully created our loading spinner.